Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hi there. This is Tohid Mia again from HMTMCSE.com. Today's tutorial we will going to cover PHP development environment preparation. So in this section we will cover PHP development environment preparation so that we can do some programming with PHP. For that we will going to follow our HMTMCSE instruction. In this section we added three navigation: the Bismillah section, this is the PHP basic Bismillah, and the course outline. The first thing will be the environment preparation, and then we will create a program with ID. Let's see the environment preparation. So in environment preparation, actually for PHP we need three things for PHP development. This is one Apache, Maria or MySQL server, PHP server. We can install those server manually, which basically we do when we created server. And for development PC, actually we do not install individually those server. We just try to use some of the accumulated things. That means here some of accumulated things is XAMPP, WAMP, MEMP. XAMPP used for basically cross-platform in any of Windows, Linux or Mac. WAMP basically created for Windows, MEMP basically created for Mac OS. Okay, in this section we will only cover the XAMPP installation section for the Windows. Okay, for that first we need to download the XAMPP from the Apache friend .org. Okay, so here you are seeing that the download panel from the Apache friends.org. Here this first thing for the Windows, then Linux, then Mac OS. What ways are you using? According that ways you can download from your version. Okay, for our case we are using Windows 10. That's why we selected that XAMPP for Windows 7, 10 version. Okay, we are going to use this 8.0.7. so I'm clicking on that 64-bit download. Okay, so it started download. I'm canceling this download because I already downloaded this XAMPP version on my local PC. Okay, let's install that XAMPP version. So we will follow that installation instruction step by step. So let me click that, double click that XAMPP. It asking me to permission. Okay, I'm clicking on yes. Let's see what happened. Here it's saying that it could be okay, it could be show the warning message. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's showing one warning. Let's create OK, press on OK, then press the next action. Okay, next. Here the selection panel we can tick untick some of servers. For now we are not gonna untick anything. That's why I'm clicking next. This is the location of the installation directory. Some cases we may install that XAMPP in different location in case of our OS is gone away. That's why for this purpose I'm not changing this directory. I'm clicking on next. Okay, selected language, two language here. I'm selecting English and then pressing next. Okay, learn more about bit Nami for XAMPP. I'm just untick this one, otherwise it will open a window. Okay, clicking on next and then clicking on install. Okay, here I click on next. Oh, sorry, there is a no install, ready to install. Next. Okay, it started installation process. Let's wait until the installation is finished. The installation process taking some time. We are waiting for complete the installation process. The installation process almost finished. Here seeing some of progress is pending. Let's wait how long it will take. It's saying that welcome to XAMPP. XAMPP actually allow us the MySQL, PHP and Perl. That's why it's XAMPP. In top we wrote this cross-platform Apache, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. Those combined with the XAMPP. Okay, almost the installation process going finish. Let's see how many times it take for finish. Okay, so we are here in okay language, choose, click next, click on this install under the installation has done. Okay, so we are waiting for the click on finish button. Let's see how long it will take for click finish button. Now it's creating the installer if needed to uninstall, so it will help us to install the XAMPP. It already 75% done. Okay, it completed, and now it's saying that we want to start the control panel now. If we click the finish button, the automatically the control panel will be started. Okay, let's see what happened. Clicked on the this is actually the XAMPP control panel. So if we want to start the Apache server, we just need to click here on start. It will automatically start. This is actually the permission of the firewall. If you want, then you can cancel, or if you have that administrative access, then you can allow this access. Okay, I'm allowing this access from here. Okay, so another way we can also run the MySQL server. Okay, I'm clicking on that start. It should be run the MySQL server also. Yeah, it also asking the firewall access. I'm adding the access. Let's see what happened. So let's see the XAMPP panel. Okay, for that I'm going to localhost. See, this is the actually XAMPP panel. So if you don't want to see this dashboard, so I am removing that dashboard from the panel. Going to XAMPP htdocs. Where is the htdocs? Okay, htdocs. See here lots of information in this section. I'm just cut those everything, just clicking on xampp. Okay, there is already XAMPP directory, so it will not rename the XAMPP xampp back. Okay, I added the underscore there. So let me where is, okay, let me paste the data here. Now only one directory. If I reload the page, it will showing not found. If I go to only localhost, we will see this index section. This way we able to successfully install the XAMPP for PHP development environment. Okay, if you want then we can stop the Apache server, also MySQL server, and we can close it here. Okay, the Apache is gone. This way we can easily uh, close the XAMPP server. Okay, thanks for watching.